Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I'm going to give you tips about cleaning. We have mobile phones, we have tablets, we have laptop, we have shoe. This all the units we can clean with only one single item. Okay. Also, not only that, this one can clean almost everything, every item you have in your home. Maybe it can be in your cupboard. It can be a sofa. Sofa means not the rug one, the leather sofa. You can clean it. Almost everything you can clean it with this one. This one, almost everyone knows about this one, but nobody knows this can be used for multi-purpose. Today I am going to show you how we are going to clean with that. This is the one. This is the baby wipes we use for when the baby has a stool. We use this one for cleaning. This has citric acid and the evaporation content, so that when you clean it will dry immediately. Because of the citric acid, also it will dry almost all the dirt what you have in your items. First, one by one I will show you practically, so you can understand it can be used for any purpose. Okay, first we will go with my laptop. Okay, I will open up this. Just I brought it. Okay, just going to open it. First we will see my laptop. Okay, if you see my laptop, sorry, there are a lot of dots there. In my screen also you can see a lot of dots, because sometimes we are sneezing, we are coughing, there are a lot of drops will go there. Okay, also sometimes we are drinking in front of the laptop, eating. So that first we will see the laptop cleaning. Okay, when it comes to the corner, use your nail, so it will clean the dust over there. See, it's very clean now. Almost it's clean complete laptop with a one only single piece. Sometimes if you have more dust, maybe you need to use two pieces, because it will get the dirt very immediately. After that it will not clean properly. Okay, so now, especially only one thing I forgot to mention, especially when you clean the screen, what happened, it will be lot of what do you call, it will look like there is some sheds or some wipe marks, will be there. So for that, what do you do, better take one small curtain, cotton cloth. Take small cloth. I am just going to use my banyan. Okay, just wipe it away these things, so there will be no mark, or else there will be some marks printed over there, so it will be blur, the vision will be little bit blur. For the other items like that does not record. For the, like a keyboard and the plastic area will not be recorded. If you see, the screen is very clean now, almost clean. There is small dirt over here. I will try cleaning again. Maybe it's very long time like this. This is the reason it's not going away. So now I am done with my laptop. Almost is clean. Okay. Now I will take my mobile. Nowadays we have everyone in our home. We have mobile, right? Now I am going to take a new tissue, new wipe, one piece. I am taking. Okay, if you see, the mobile is almost have a lot of dirt. So I'm going to make like a two-fold. It will be convenient for you to do it. Especially the mobile, after we are using the back cover, it will be lot of dust inside accumulating. What I do every week almost, I take all my mobiles, mine, my wife's, and then the one we are using in our home. Everything I take and then I clean it with the wipes. Okay. Now same like that. Take the cotton cloth. If it is screen, take the cotton cloth and wipe it again. Along with the cotton cloth, if you do it, maybe you will not get this result. See the result? Very clean. All the surface is very clean. Now I am going to use with the tab. I use the same wipe I used for my mobile because it was not that much dirt. So I am going to use with my tab now. If you see, a lot of dirt is there. Fingerprints, lot of small water spots. This one every week almost I do it, or else it will be so dirt. Also it will be lot of germs, lot of bacteria will be there. If you clean it with the wipes, as long as it has a citric acid, so it can be like sanitizing. So it will clean all the bacteria, especially the one used by our children's. Mainly you need to take care of that one because a lot of dust and germs, bacteria will be a home for them. This clean. A little bit the markings are there because of the cover. I put some transparent cover, temper glass. We call them temper glass, right? This is the reason I think. It's good looks now. Okay. Now the other item we will see the shoe, because now only we see the gadgets, right? Now we will see the shoe. So if you see, this is a white color shoe. When the children they start using the white color, it will go so dark because of they are playing always. So what I used to do, if I wash them with some liquids or any other thing, the leather will come out. But with this, it will never come out. You see the dirt here. I'm going to wipe it. This will not go, I think, because it's a longer mark. See, this one is going. This one will not go because this is a scratch. For this, you need maybe 3 or 4 tissues, at least for one shoe. This one is finished. You see this one? It's almost become very rough, and also it has a lot of dirt. Okay. Almost this part is become very rough. Also the surface is not shiny, so I could not clean properly here. Clean only the topper surface always. Okay, this one is done almost. Better than before, if you see. Now I will go to the another shoe. Here you can see the best result, I think. Here if you see, it's so dark. I am going to wipe it. See, it's very clean now. If you wipe it little bit harder, you will get a good result. These are little scratches. Some scratches are there. It's not going away. Even though I tried hard, it's not going. This means this is scratches. It will never go. Almost second one is gone. I will change to another one. It has these foam, I think, kind of soap content. After using this tissue, you must hand wash with the liquids, hand wash liquids on. It has some chemicals. Maybe it will not be good for someone. Some people maybe they will get allergic reaction after using it. So after cleaning, or else try gloves, the rubber gloves. See, better than before. Better than before now. So likewise, there are so many ways. Also, can be done in the wall. Your kids, maybe they are doing the writing in the wall with the normal marker or permanent marker. Permanent marker, maybe it will take some time, or you have to roughing very hard, then only it will go away. For the normal marker or pencil and all, it will easily go. I will show you. Now here in the wall, you can see there is a marker, it's normal marker sign. So I will try to clean with the wipes. You can see now. With the water, it will not go away. With the wipes, it will go immediately. Always try to do this way, circular motion. It's clean very faster. See, it's clean now. So there is a one more mark over here. I'm going to try. Because the surface is a little bit not flat, that's the reason it will take some time. See, better than before. Here in the wood also, you would see very easily go because the surface is very flat. So all the wipes, whatever you do, it will be done. Now I am going to try in the pencil surface. Pencil is a little bit harder, but if you do it continuously, it will go away. See, it's gone. But you got a little bit try harder, huh? For the pencil, you need to try harder. See, almost this area is gone. I found a big marking here in my hall, so we will try here first. See, it's completely gone. Now we came to kitchen. You can see I am going to wipe it out in the stove, gas stove. See, it's wiping very nicely. Because of the flat surface, it's very easy to wipe. And all the dirt, it will go away. See, it's gone. I'll show you some dirt first. See here, this area, there's some dirt are there. I am not doing it very hard here because of the surface is flat. So it's very easily wiping. See, nice. I hope this is very helpful for you. This is not only limited to the items I show you. You can clean the TV also. When you are cleaning the TV, make sure you are not, dropping some liquids inside the TV. So only wipe it in the screen little bit and immediately dry it out with the cotton cloth. Also, you can try in the marker board, you can try in the wall, you can try in the cupboard, you can try in the kitchen. But make sure it's not touching any food items, only the outer surface. If you're cleaning any bowl, like any container, glass containers, only wipe it outside. Do not touch with because it's chemical. After cleaning, also after using these wipes and all, properly hand wash yourself, okay, for the safety. Also, thank you so much for watching my videos completely. Also, please do subscribe and like, comment, and please do support from your side. Thank you.